How to record shows on YouTube TV with Firestick. First of all, make sure you have the YouTube TV app installed on your Fire TV stick. You can easily find it on the Amazon App Store. After installing, open the app and log in with your YouTube TV account. Once you are inside the app, go to the Home tab and look for the show or movie you want to record. You can also switch to the Live section if you want to record a live sports event or TV program. After you find the show, simply select the Add to Library option. When the plus icon turns into a check mark, that means your show has been successfully added to your recordings. Next, go back to the main screen and open the Library section. Under the New in Your Library tab, you'll find all your recorded shows and movies. You can watch them anytime directly from your Fire Stick without missing a single episode. And if you ever want more control, like recording only a specific scene or adding commentary, you can use a tool like HitPaw Edimacore on your computer. It lets you capture both video and audio while you watch YouTube TV using your Fire TV stick. So this is how to record shows on YouTube TV with Firestick. If this helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips.